kind of just want to sit here and do nothing. But if I do nothing, who's gonna feed me? Who's gonna make my dinner? Nobody. Nobody does it better than you. Hey you guys, I am using my new camera, my Sony, dang it, I can never remember. Is it ZV or VZ1? I'm actually using it for the first time, so I'm actually excited. It's probably a lot clearer, so it's probably showing some like acne scars or something, but this is awesome. Like, oh my god. Like I can zoom in. Okay, hold on. Well, yeah. Why is it not working? Is it locked? Hold on, you guys. I'm still trying to figure out how these things work. But yeah. So, anywho, I'm excited that I'm using my new vlog camera stick. Like, this is pretty cool. So yeah, today, oh, let me show you guys the snow. Do you guys see that? So it did snow a lot. So today I'm gonna finish up work and then I'm going to be previewing my my vlog from that I ended yesterday, but I'm gonna premiere it today, my weekly vlog. So if you haven't seen it, please go watch it, like and subscribe. Ooh, my voice, girl. But yeah, I don't know, I'm just like so hyped that I'm using my new camera instead of using my phone. It is a little different because the displays, it's good, but I'm so used to looking at the phone and talking to my phone. And luckily this camera is not that big, so I'm kind of more comfortable in front of it also. So yeah, this is awesome. I don't think I'm doing anything really much today. I will be cooking later, making some chicken wings. Will I be stepping outside? I don't think so. I'm not a fan of snow, so if I can stay away from it, I will. Okay. But yeah. Oh, my lips are dry. Put some chapstick on. Some ballistics. Because, you know, wintertime make my skin so dry and my lips. So crazy. I don't remember where I got this from, but it's the Mary Berry ballistics. I don't know if it's going to focus on here. But yeah, the Mary Berry ballistics. So yeah, I'm like so excited. I'm just like playing with the features my camera has. Like right now I have it for the background to be more not focused on the background, more focused on me, so it's a little buttery in the background, which is awesome. And sometimes I can make it more clear in the background, but I want it to focus on me right now. So this is so cool. Sorry you guys, I'm a bit weird when it comes to new things, but this is great. But I'm gonna let you guys go. I'll come back on here when I'm making either my lunch or when I'm cooking the wings. I don't know yet, it depends. But yeah, this is cool. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alright, so for a snack, I'm doing a keto-friendly, sorry for the noise in the background, it's my brother shoveling. So I'm doing the keto-friendly bread. They sell this at Aldi's, the best thing ever. I think today I want peanut butter. Some Skip It. And of course my sugar-free. So I totally forgot to show you guys how I was making dinner, but I can show you the oven. So here are my wings, my regular ones I do in the tomato sauce. That comes pre-seasoned with garlic, but I still add onion, garlic powder, pepper, some other seasonings, and my hot sauce, and some sweet potato. Jason, why are you in my camera? Jason, I'm trying to record cupcake. And here's a little cupcake action. Hey, hey, hey. What you doing? Yeah. There's her bed that she refuses to use. I have put catnip in there and she like refuses to use it. So yeah. So her bed that she refuses to go in, that she'd rather sleep in my bed. Right, Cappy? She's sniffing. Day in the life of Cupcake. Jason, why are you in it? Come here. Just waiting for our training, which is at 12:45. I just had my lunch. It was pretty simple, just Thai style tuna that comes in like a packet. And so I put that in a bowl with half of an avocado and a boiled egg. So that was what my lunch was, because I also had a snack. Like I had my keto bread with peanut butter and sugar-free jelly. I love that bread because it does not raise my blood sugar and it's like guilt-free bread for me. Yeah, so today I'm gonna try to motivate myself to work out. Like literally. Like I'm gonna try to motivate myself to work out. And use my bike. I haven't touched that bike in forever. We'll see. Maybe I'll be motivated, maybe I'll be too tired. I have no idea. But I need to force myself to get that energy back. And I'm gonna try to do at least 30 minutes on the bike, which might be difficult because my stamina is so low right now. Like I don't think I could probably do 30 minutes. Maybe 15. We'll see. I don't know. But that's about it. Cupcake's over there. Cappy! Do I see her yet? There she is. Hey, Cappy. But yeah. She's my number one. Oh. She's like, what is that? But yeah. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. Keep you guys updated on the wings. See how they go. But yeah. If I do go on the bike, I'll show you guys. If I don't, then that means I did not work out. And that is sad. So sad. But yeah. Alright. See you guys in a bit. Shin packaging is so cute. What does it look like? Hey, you guys. Sorry, I'm like all bundled up. I just got out of work. Well, remote teaching. And today was only a half day because guess what? It's snowing again. Yep. It is snowing again. So, oh, you guys are so close to me. So yeah, it's snowing again. I guess another snow day is coming. So we got to do remote learning for a half day, and the rest of the day is just relax, I guess, and see how the weather turns. I don't know, there isn't much to do today because I'm stuck in the house. I was gonna go to Aldi's and get some snacks because me. If there's a winter storm coming, I get hungry and I want some snacks. I didn't even work out yesterday. I'm so sad. But I premiered my weekly vlog yesterday, so I was like watching that, and then I was like, I don't feel like exercising. But I need to motivate myself. It's just the only way I can motivate myself to work out is going to a gym. Like, me being home, I just can't. Like, some people can do it, which I did it years ago. Like, I used to do home workouts. But what motivates me more is when I'm at a gym. Like, you're in the environment, so you're more motivated. I also got my Shein order that I placed a week or two ago. It actually didn't take long. So it came in, so I will be either recording today or tomorrow that Shein haul. I was gonna do it today, but I'm kind of like, this weather's making me lazy, so I might do it tomorrow. But I got some really cute stuff. Can't wait to show you guys. Like, I'm kind of excited to show them, to do like a try on haul and show you guys what I think about the product and if it's worth it and if the price is good for it, because I'm a girl on a budget. But yeah, I'm not cooking today. Remember, I cooked yesterday. I don't cook every day, but I try to cook every other day. What am I, a house maid? I don't know. I want to enjoy life too. I don't want to be stuck in the house cooking, doing laundry, cleaning up. Nah. Not every day. Not unless I was getting paid for it. Like, if it was a job, then okay. But if not, no. I can't wait till it's springtime. Or warmer weather. So I can go out and enjoy and get some sun and get that glow on my skin. You know what I mean? Like, right now, this is so depressing. It's cute. Like, seeing the snowfall, it's actually relaxing, but that's all you can do is just look at it. It's too cold to be outside for me to see it outside. Like, no. I might make some hot cocoa. But yeah. So, I just wanted to come update you guys on my day. Did anybody watch the Super Bowl on Sunday? I still don't even know who won. Actually, I don't know which team's which. But I know the team that Tom Brady's in won. And the Weeknd performance, I thought was a little odd. But it is the Weeknd, so he is like that. Kind of strange. Could have been better. He kind of was a little extra. Sometimes when you're too extra, you go too far, it just fails. I've seen way better performances at the Super Bowl, and that's the only thing I watched during the Super Bowl is the halftime show. You know what I mean? I think last year, wasn't it J-Lo that performed, I believe? From that to the Weeknd, bleh, was kind of lame. But, yeah. Let me go see what I'm gonna do. I think I'm about to go make myself a little light lunch. Maybe some avocado with a boiled egg and some tuna. But I still want to eat bad, but I need to not do that. You know, I have to stick to healthier habits. You know, but I do eat pretty healthy due to me having type 1 diabetes. So I've always had like a nutritionist who's shown me like how to read the side of the boxes with all the nutritional information and the serving sizes. And like you should be checking your carb, not the sugar, but carbohydrates, because that's the sugar is in it. It's already included in it. So yeah. But do I sometimes read them and watch them? No. I did try keto over the summer, and it actually did work pretty well with me with blood sugar wise, but I kind of went crazy with the cheese and like the cream stuff, like the whipping cream and like the cheese. So did I lose weight on it? No. But did I get good blood sugar? Yes. But yeah. But it's all what works best for you and your kind of lifestyle you want. You shouldn't just pick a diet or a certain thing just because, whatever, if it doesn't work for you, it's not going to work for you. I think you need to change it into a lifestyle. You should like look at your plate and be like, I don't need that much of potatoes, maybe a smaller portion. Or I don't need that much rice, maybe a smaller portion. Or I can substitute the rice today for some cauliflower rice. You know what I mean? Like, it's not to be extreme, like extreme diet that people do liquid stuff. Like, ugh, no offense to anybody, but it's just a healthier living kind of lifestyle. I'm not saying go cuckoo macoo crazy, you know, that you're on a diet that you're like hangry 24/7. Who wants to live that kind of life? No. I think if you balance out a little bit of working out and eating healthy, you know, and just seeing like what you're eating on certain days and knowing like, oh, maybe on Saturday or once a week or every 2 weeks I'll go to Burger King, whatever, and get a burger and eat it or whatever, and just, you know, have a cheat day. I think that works out best for people, like for most people, that kind of lifestyle, because that's the only kind I can do. Like you can't take away, like I don't really eat fast food like that, but I do like to go out to eat to restaurants and getting like some mashed potatoes, some lobster mash, some like mac and cheese. Like, so yeah, if I'm gonna go out to eat on the weekend, I'ma have a cheat date, you know? But yeah, so I'll catch you guys in a bit because I'm starving as always. So I'm gonna go see what I can make for lunch. See y'all in a bit. Alright, so I look crazy. And my brother wanted to show me his rental. He has a Tiguan, but this is the new one. Let me show you. So the Tiguan. It's a Volkswagen. Let's see how it looks like on the inside. So, it looks the same as yours. Except it has a digital.
So, it's all touch screen.
Yours is so crappy, I don't have digital.
The media, connect.
Is there a seat warmer here? Because what's the point? There's no seat warmers. Was there a seat warmer?
Yeah, it's called but then like you can change the motion if it's snowing.
Yeah, mine does that.
Oh, it does.
Yeah, it does.
Sport.
Okay.
Off-roading.
That's it? That's all that's about this new Tiguan?
No, this one is a standard version. It's not the
You made me come out in this snowstorm just to look at an average normal car.
Has a phone app.
Yeah, just in yours has that. Has that.
Apple CarPlay.
Yeah, mine has that. Yours has on Android Auto. Mine doesn't. I miss my Volkswagen CC. They don't make those anymore. So, yeah, that was a car tour of this rental while my brother's Tiguan is being fixed. But I used to love my CC. But they don't make those anymore for Volkswagen. It was like the luxury car. But yeah. All right. Back at work, everybody. Yep, we're in the building. Guys, sorry, the sun is like in my face, but I'm loving it. Like, because I don't get sun in general. So I'm just like, oh yeah, I love this. So yeah, it is Wednesday, went into work, like in the building, and we were setting things up for when the kids come back on the 23rd, I believe. Oh, I like this lighting right here. I'm like, okay, I'm feeling this. All right. So yeah. I'm just trying to take in this moment. But anywho, I came home. I relaxed a little bit. I was watching Aaliyah Face's YouTube because she got her vlog out there. Love her. But anywho, I'm about to cook and make some salmon. It's because I forgot to take it out of the freezer this morning, so it is like hard rock. So I'm putting it under a little bit of like warm water just for it to defrost a bit more, because I want some salmon. That's what I want. But today was a good day. Going into the building, it was so different because I wasn't used to going in. I didn't even know what to bring. I was like, what do I bring? Like, what do I put in my bag? Like, am I taking lunch? Like, what do I bring for lunch? What did I used to do before we were working remotely? But yeah, so I'm gonna do that. I might edit. Actually, no. Today I'm going to edit the try-on haul, the Shein try-on haul. I want to see like how far I can get. Hopefully I finish editing it today. It's just editing is a process. Editing can take like hours. It's not like you upload the video and ta-da, it's all set up for you. No. You need to look through the video. You need to see what should you cut out, what transitions should you put, what kind of music are you using, are you putting music on it, what kind of titles and things. It's just a lot, but it is fun at the end. Like, yes, it comes out pretty cool, but it is a lot of work. So zoom in. Hey everybody. Sorry, I'm just playing with the grip that it comes with, that I can zoom in and zoom out. But yeah, but I'm so lazy. I kind of just want to sit and do nothing. But if I do nothing, who's gonna feed me? Who's gonna make my dinner? Nobody. Nobody does it better than you. Yeah, but I think that's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cook and then edit my next video that should be up either tomorrow or Friday. And if you haven't seen it by now, please go watch it. Like, comment, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Come on, you guys. But yeah, I'm a bit silly today. Maybe because I finally got to leave the house and feel like a bit normal. But yeah. Ugh. But I probably am going to show you guys me prepping like the salmon and stuff. I might do it the same way I did the codfish, which is Cajun seasoning, because I actually really like that. I actually like that taste, and I like it a little, not too spicy, but a little kick, a little ooh right there, like ooh. So yeah, I feel like it's gonna be another boring day. Yep. And this is what it's gonna be. Valentine's Day weekend coming up. Come on, Cindy, motivate yourself. You need to go cook. Oh, you ain't eating. You know, adulting. Am I forgetting to do something today? No, I didn't have any appointments. What am I forgetting? I feel like I'm forgetting something and I don't know what it is. But oh yeah, let me show you guys this. So I don't know, is it on it? So I made this, right? All from Dollar Tree. So I have two on the table. I just wanted to be a little creative and come up with something that I think is cute. Oh, ow. Come up with something that I think is cute. So yeah. You guys, I gotta go cook. Ooh, excuse me. I just burped. I gotta cook. If only I had a personal chef. Also a personal trainer. I need to motivate myself to work out. Like, I just went on the scale and I was like, stop. It's not that I gained more weight. I'm just still at the same weight. Like, I'm just not losing it and I want to lose it. I want to lose at least 25 pounds off of what I weigh now. Just to feel more comfortable in my own skin. Like, right now, I just don't feel like I'm as comfortable as I usually am when I work out. Like, I feel like I just feel fluffy. Like, fluffy. And I feel like my face is a little... Sometimes, you know, when I gain weight, it comes to my face, too. Like, maybe I can... Oh, yeah. Let me stop picking at myself. But, yeah. And my curls have been doing really great lately. Usually, they're so frizzy and crazy by now. But I've been trying this new product that's actually a local person from around this area that started this product, which is pretty cool. It's a small startup business they just started, so my brother actually got it for me for Christmas. Like, it's like a curling product to put in your hair, and it comes with like aloe vera oil and is it rosemary, I think, oil, and you do a treatment with it. And lately my hair has been so like shiny, and like the curls been staying, like the moisture's been staying in my hair. It hasn't been drying out. And like, I had my hair down yesterday, and usually I don't like leaving my hair down because sometimes I'm like, ugh. But it has so much bounce. Like, it's so lightweight. It doesn't weigh my hair down. It doesn't make it crunchy or nothing. So once I'm fully done with the product and I've used it for a whole month, I will make a video on it because I think it's really important to find a good product that works for you as a curly hair natural girl, because it is hard to find something that at least is a decent price. Certain places are mad expensive. Like, are you out of your mind? What? I'm gonna put something in my hair that's gonna wash down the drain, and I'm gonna pay almost $100 to $200 for it. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm all set. No. So this product I think is like decent price and everything, and it's actually been working for my hair. So I'm like excited because I'm actually been liking wearing my hair curly. Usually I don't. And I think because my hair is growing a little bit more, I'm kind of liking it better. But yeah, let me stop ranting. I need to cook. Can you guys tell me to shut up and go cook? All right. Come on, you guys. We're gonna go cook, okay? All right. Let's go. Okay, you guys. So I'm gonna get ready to make the salmon, which... So, this is the salmon I got from Aldi's. It's a pretty good size for $18.07. Okay. So I got my garlic butter. I need Cajun sauce. Every time I just cannot find it. Look, I can never find the Cajun. It's so hard. Tell me when you find it. Got it right here. Okay. Okay, so I need all of it. So you're gonna need olive oil, butter, garlic, and okay, so let me start with the garlic, which you need, I think, 3 of them. Hey you guys, it's Thursday. It's around like 3 o'clock. I worked from home today. You know, this cat got no respect. She over here messing with my stuff. Little Miss Cupcake. I was editing, but Cupcake decided to step on it and press play on it. So yeah, I had work today. Let me put you guys down for a second. Alright. I had work today. Just ended. I worked from home. Tomorrow I'm going in. So far a good day. I think I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree and is it Dollar General? I haven't been there in a while, but I have seen some like YouTube videos of it, and they have some like nice house decor, but it depends on what kind of Dollar General. The one around here probably ain't got nothing, nada. So, but I'm just gonna check that place out, see how it is, and then go to Dollar Tree. I do need to get some cleaning and more organizing stuff because I want to start organizing downstairs, which I've been saying for a while. I'll probably do it maybe this upcoming vacation, which is next week, because I'll be home every day. So I might start organizing downstairs in the bathroom and laundry room. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna go do, is get some stuff to get that ready for next week. And like I said, I'm finishing editing my Shein try-on haul with bodysuits. It came out alright. I'm not used to this camera. I don't know how to like put the right settings on this camera yet. I think I need to look at a couple more tutorials to figure it out. And I think I need better lighting because I did it at night and the lighting I had wasn't as powerful and strong. So, but it was my first time. I did it. I tried it. I learned. So next time I know what to do different to make it better quality. But it was fun trying it out and putting it out there. Some good bodysuits. But yeah, let me start getting ready because I don't want to leave too late and then there's like traffic or something. You know? So I'm putting a jacket on. And I'm just wearing this like Target loungewear. I don't want to change. I'm too lazy. But yeah, I don't really want to change. So yeah, I'm gonna take y'all with me. some certain things, and then I got caught up and overdid it with the shopping. Kind of. Not too crazy. Look at who that is. Look. It's Cupcake. She's helping me put stuff away. Yeah, right. I still need to finish editing, which I didn't finish. I'm like procrastinating. So I don't know why, but I was at the store and I wanted to make some fajitas, so I got some like bell peppers, cheese, the fajita seasoning, and some lettuce wraps, and some regular carb balance wraps. Maybe I'll do that this weekend. Also got this from Walmart for champagne, like flutes, for like $4.99, I believe, or less than $4.99 for 4. So that's a good deal. You know, for some champagne and mimosas. I needed to get a case for my camera. I also found the chalkboard stickers I've been looking for. Couldn't find them at Dollar Tree, but I found them at Walmart. It's like a, I don't know, so cute. So there's 16 pieces. A soft cashmere amber from Walmart. It was like $11, $11.97, I think. You know, not a bad price. It's actually supposed to be for my brother, like a little Valentine's gift, a card, and a candle, because he just ran out of his. Smells really good. I also got these glass mugs. Aren't they so cute? Look at that. So I got 2 of these. So cute. And I also got the clear dessert plates, the smaller ones. I also got some candles from Dollar Tree. Look, this is actually really cute. I'm gonna put this one in the downstairs bathroom. It kind of has like a tinted glass. Looks more like kind of a hint of brownish on it. This scent is Palo Santo. Smells okay, you can't smell it, but it smells really good. And just a little bit. And this one is Mineral Mist. It smells really, oh gosh, I need to stop doing that. It smells really good too. And this one's going in the upstairs bathroom because upstairs bathroom has more of like a greenish blue color. They have the cutest little paper straws. Like, look at them. Aren't they cute? For $1 for 18 pack. You know, if you have a girls brunch, like a little brunch time, you can use these. Hey you guys, it's Friday. Friday. It's Friday. Yeah. Friday. So I went into work today. It's 4 o'clock. I've been editing, as you guys can see. So finishing up my Shein try-on haul. Sorry, I'm in the dark. I'm too lazy to turn the light on, and I like the light off sometimes when I'm working. I don't know why. But I'm here watching YouTuber Janine. She's so real. Like, she don't play. Like, she keeps it real. She's not fabricating everything and making it look, oh, this is my life. No, she keeps it real. So I'm watching her. She's pretty cool. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I might go to a Cape Verdean store because I'm looking for some oxtail. The reason why I want to try it, is because of her. She did this it looked really good oxtail meal in a crock pot, so I want to try it for the first time. And then I might go to Dollar Tree because I got 2 clear mugs, but I want 4 of them, so I have to get 2 more. So I'm gonna go back and see if they still have more. So yeah, but I'm gonna go try to finish this because I need to do my YouTube thumbnail also. So yeah, I'll see y'all in a little bit. It's Friday, yeah. So this is the place I'm going to. America's Food Basket. Let's see if they have them here, the oxtails. So let's see. So I made some fajitas. And now I'm gonna take a bite out of it. Ooh, I'm so zoomed in. Okay, ooh, I look like a hot mess, but I'm so hungry. And I wanted to make like a low carb like fajita. So I wanted to do more of like a lettuce wrap. See if I can take a bite out of this. So good. Hitting the spot. And it's kind of like guilt-free. Sorry, I can't talk with my mouth full. In my other vlog, I was saying I can't eat with my mouth full. What? But yeah, this is so good. So if you ever want a quick meal, get some chicken breast, bell peppers, some onion, like 1 onion, cut them up, and get the fajita seasoning. And you'll be happy. Sorry I didn't film making it. Sometimes once you're in like the zone, you're in the zone. You know? You don't want to stop and record. And I was just so hungry. It's like, this is like a late dinner. It's 9 o'clock. Morning, you guys. Oh, my voice is so raspy. Morning, you guys. I just woke up. It's 7:51. Actually, no, I woke up probably 30 minutes ago, but it's 7:51. I'm going to put the oxtail, because I did find it at that store. So I just seasoned the oxtail yesterday. I'm going to put it into my crock pot. So, yeah, because I want this to be ready and good for lunch. Alright, so I'm just gonna hope you guys can kind of see that. So here is the oxtail I seasoned yesterday. These down. Just dump them in there. So this is me trying it out. Like, this is my first trial, should I say, of making oxtail. So next time I'll just get more. For now, this is what I wanted. They didn't have any more left. They just had that. I'm going to put it in, I don't know if I focused, on low for about 7 hours and 30 minutes. That's how it looks like. I'm going to put the top on it. Alright, so let's see how it goes. So once again, I put garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of pepper powder, black pepper powder, and then I cut up some onions and some bell peppers, and what else did I put? Worcester sauce, whatever y'all call it. I put some beef broth. I put a little seasoning salt, and yeah, and I added garlic salt because I ended up running out of my regular garlic powder. So yeah, let's see how this turns out. And I used the oxtail seasoning. Actually, let me show you it. I used the oxtail seasoning. They had this. So, hot mess central. So I'm about to clean up a bit and then shower. I don't know what I'm doing today. I kind of don't want to leave the house because if I do, I'll end up like spending money, and I've already spent money. Yeah. Don't know what I'm doing today on the Saturday morning. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. I need to organize this house, like clean what I'm cooking and make a hot mess. All right, see y'all in a bit. Okay, so the beef, I was about to say beef stew, just kidding, no. Okay, so the oxtail is ready. Well, it's been ready for a while. I forgot to show it once it was finished, but that's how they look like. I put butter beans in it, so that's what the white stuff are, butter beans. Got my bowl, a little bit of cauliflower, right? Oxtail bowl. Time to eat it. Yum. Morning, you guys. Sorry, I have my mask on. It's 9:05. I'm in front of Target. And happy Valentine's Day, you guys. I don't know why I'm here. I was actually supposed to go to Dollar Tree, but it doesn't open till 10. And the only place that's open right now is Target, so maybe I can stay here for a bit until it's 10, because I don't want to, because I'm in a different city right now, so I don't want to drive all the way back home. You know what I mean? So, yeah. I'm at Target, so I'm gonna go in there. Still not comfortable bringing my camera in and stuff, because sometimes people will be staring at me. And my camera's white. I should have gotten the black one because my camera sticks out. But yeah, maybe I'll take you guys out with me to the store. We'll see.